Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Burgess from Tranquility in Art. I do hope you had a good Christmas. What I wanted to do today is to celebrate the coming new year, and I thought with that we could do a bit of a fireworks display. I've not tried this before, but what I am going to try and use is some oil pastels, a candle, and some a white gel pen, a gold and a silver. And I'm also going to try and use some ink and a little bit of watercolor. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is just use the oil pastels to create some some firework shapes in the sky using different colors. So I'm going to start off with a green here. This could be a disaster, it might not be, but let's just have a go with it, go at it anyway. And I'm using the side of the pastel. And now I'm going to use a blue for another one along here. Yellow, we're using a yellow here. I'm hoping that the yellow will actually show up against the dark sky. And let's try another color. Let's try let's try red and put a small one in the distance there. But also, what we can do is do a little bit of overlapping. So maybe we can sort of overlap something along here. You know, a lot of artists have tried this, and some succeeded in making something that looks quite nice, and others were not happy with their outcome. But they didn't use oil pastels, they were using candles. I am also going to use candles, actually, a candle here. So what I do is maybe along here like that, a large one, and I'm using the end of the candle here. Now, I can't see where I'm going with this, so I'm just going to be guessing where everything is along here. I don't know what that is, I can't see it. And let's just put a yellow one along here as well, like that. Maybe we can overlap it with, oh, I don't know, let's try red, might be nice. Interesting to see how this turns out once you actually put the black on there, the sky. Maybe it'll be a little bit of an exciting thing. I'm going with the candle again. I'm just we can do sort of the buildings. What I want to do is take the same sort of colors here and just I wonder how this is going to turn out. It's quite exciting, really, to see what might happen. I don't know. don't know. Let's see. All experimenting. Okay, now we're going to use, let's try a little bit of watercolor plus black ink as well. So watercolor with black watercolor. This could go wrong, so I don't know. Okay, let's do the sky. A little bit here. You're getting the glare from the lamp in there. So just now we're going to let that dry. And let's let that dry, and we'll come back to you in a moment. Then we can put the sort of buildings in. Okay, I've dried it off now, so I'm just going to put a few buildings in here. So let's say the skyline started here. And go back in with a few extra accents. I don't know what this is. It's just a generic skyline. Something along here, I don't know what. A few more details in here like that, like this. Okay, and now, whilst that's sort of drying off, we're going to take our in white pens, different pens, and just put some accents here and there. I'm trying to avoid getting my hand dirty. Oh, this pen is running out. Let's try another one. Now let's remove the tape. Oh, this is the best we can do, I'm afraid. This is a technique that's been tried and tested, and it hasn't always worked. But anyway, I hope you like this. Let's just remove the tape. Maybe it'll look better without it. There we go, the last one. And here's our fireworks for New Year's Eve. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing. And hope to see you in the new year when I'll be back to painting normal landscapes. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.